going to show you how to do a sexy, fun, sheer, that's the key word, not heavy, Valentine's Day look with just 3 products. It starts with some mascara, I mean a lot of mascara from Lily Lolo. I love a hefty dose of jet black mascara on the lashes. I think I've already put about 5 coats on. You'll want to always start at the root and wiggle up towards the tip, leaving no lash unattended. Then we're going to move on to cheeks. Now this product from Glowiest is called Radiance, and it is the epitome of radiance for the face. It's transformative. Just a little bit. Can you see that on my cheekbone? Is an immediate showstopper. It pops it. It's just so pretty in this kind of a lilac shade. I love it. And Glowiest has 3 shades of highlights, so all skin tones have options. This just looks so pretty, truly in all skin tones. I'm going to press a little into my Cupid's bow to make my top lip look a little bit more full. And then I'm going to press it into my lid beneath the crease so that those lashes that I just painted have a really pretty backdrop. And then no look for Valentine's Day can be complete without a red lip, right? So this one is from RMS and it's called Content, and it is super sheer, however, extremely buildable. So that's the teeniest bit on my finger. And you can just keep going until you've got the shade of red that you like. Like I said, I'm going to keep things kind of sheer. Never know where my lips are going to end up. On whose cheek. So then I'm going to put a little on my cheeks. Speaking of cheeks. So I'm going to take off a good portion of what's on my finger because a little goes a long way, as you will see. Right? It's barely anything, but it's just enough to kind of give my cheeks, my already radiant cheeks, even more of a pop. So there you have it. Happy Valentine's Day.